2 weeks ago, I announced an awesome giveaway that I was doing on this channel for hitting 50,000 subscribers, and I wanted to give away an iPad. Not this iPad, this is very much my iPad, I use this every single day, but I did want to give away an iPad, and today, I was gonna smash it down, but then I thought, no, this is my iPad. Today, I want to announce that winner in this video. There were so many participants, 840 participants, which is way more than I expected. And within those participants, there was 39,299 entries, because as well as participating, you could do other things like follow me or on Instagram or share the video or whatever, just to get some more entries. And it seems that a lot of people did that, and there's just under 40,000 entries, which is, oh, that's crazy. But those odds aren't bad. 1 in 39,299. Not bad. And it's not really that, because there's only 840 participants. So your odds are pretty good for winning this iPad. Firstly, if you are new here and you have no idea what I'm talking about and you didn't enter to win this iPad, I apologize. Hopefully you'll be able to watch my next video where I do a giveaway. But I would say keep watching, because you could just, I guess, watch me give away an iPad, because that's what's going to happen. But no joke. If you are new here, my name is Shimmy Morris. I make videos all about business, finance, print on demand, affiliate marketing, Amazon, all of that kind of stuff, side hustles, making money online. And I really want to say, go and check out my other videos. If you like them, please subscribe and help me get to 100,000 subscribers, where I will be doing the next giveaway, but I think it'll be a bit of a bigger one. This was just one iPad. I think next time I'm going to give away a whole bunch of stuff, so we can have a lot more winners and it can be a lot more exciting, and there will be a lot more chances for people to get stuff for free. So yeah, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. The reason why I decided on giving away an iPad over anything else is because, well, for me personally, it took me a very long time to convince myself to spend the money and get an iPad, because I mean, this iPad ended up costing nearly the same as or more, I should say, than an actual MacBook. So that's because it's got the pencil and the cover and the keyboard and all of that kind of stuff, and it really adds up, and it took me a while to convince myself. But after getting it, I mean, it was the single best decision, because I mean, I literally manage every single thing I do with this iPad. This iPad is like my life, and it's brilliant. Anything personal, anything business, everything pretty much runs through this iPad, and it's just so quick and easy just to kind of like snap it and go kind of thing. It's so much easier than a laptop, right? You can just take it off and put it on, whatever. It's brilliant. And that's why I wanted to give someone else the opportunity of having that experience of, you know, being able to just have this device where you could manage everything and hopefully increase your workflow and potentially increase the money you're earning, just because, you know, there's just so many benefits of having an iPad, right? And that's why I wanted to do that. And, you know, truth be told, I would love to give away an iPad to every single person that entered Mr. Beast style. But I think I can't really do that yet. Maybe one day when I'm at Mr. Beast level with, you know, 69 or 70 million subscribers, then yes, I will give everyone an iPad. But until then, we're just doing a giveaway, and there will be one lucky winner. Now, just before announcing, I want to say one more thing. If you are interested in, I would say, finding out what apps I use, how I use them, why I think they're good, all those things, I have other videos talking about that. I will link to them up here. So definitely go and check that out. In the main video where I talk about, you know, doing the giveaway, I actually talk about my 5 favorite apps. So you can definitely go and check that out, just to kind of see what apps you might want to be using or anything like that. But for now, let me show you my computer screen and let's click award a winner. I don't know this program I'm using. Basically, I'm using KingSumo here, and KingSumo is, let me just adjust this. So KingSumo is the platform I'm using to run this whole giveaway, and it's a very popular platform. I found it from another YouTuber, and you can see contestants. How many contestants are there? There are 840 contestants, 39,299 entries, and let's click ready to award. I've never done this before, so I don't actually know what's going to happen, but let's just click it and see what happens. Ready to award. The winner is Stacey Hulks. Oh, I shouldn't really share that, should I? I'm gonna blur out her email, but the winner is Stacey Hulks with 54 entries confirmed. Yes, I'm probably not gonna share all of this, because this is her IP address and all of that, but her probability of winning was 14%, and that is our winner, right? So I'm going to email this person, tell them they have won. Hopefully they respond. If they don't respond, you know, within a couple of days, then I'll just have to draw another winner or something. But I'll give them a solid amount of time to, you know, reply to me. But either way, that is the winner. That's exciting. I know, Stacey Hulk, I hope I'm saying your name right. I mean, I don't know if I am. Apologies if I'm saying it wrong. But that is really, really exciting. This is all going to be... I've messed this up with the camera. But I do want to say, you know, thank you so much to everyone that took part. I don't know why. I'm at an angle now. This is annoying, right? So you get this new camera and you can't kind of like make it perfect, right? So anyways, thank you so much to everyone that entered into this giveaway. Like I said, I really wish I could give everyone an iPad, and I'm just sorry that I cannot. One day, hopefully, I'll be giving away a lot more stuff. And like I said, as soon as I hit 100,000 subscribers, I'm thinking of doing a much bigger giveaway, giving away a whole range of different products, because why not? You know, it'll be more fun, a lot more winners. Either way, thank you so much. And yeah, I'll email this person, and I just want to end by saying, you know, thanks for watching this video. Thanks for watching all my videos. Thanks for commenting, subscribing, liking, just supporting this channel. And I'm really looking forward to seeing you in tomorrow's video.